Hello my friend, my name is Amir, I'm a mechanics tutor. So today we want to talk about the restore points. Some points that we can move the project to the previous time. Okay, so here for example from the setting menu we can do some changes regarding the restore point in data storage. So in data storage we have the restore points is to select active or deactive, and then the number of level we can restore it. For example, the last 8 changes or more or less. Okay, to reach the restore point setting, we can go to the project in local project. In a pop-up menu, we can select it from here, restore point to some points, or right-click on the project and go to the restore points. So, for example, here we have the 3 devices. For example, we can go to the restore points to specific things. For example, now we go to the projects, open it, and this is the 3 devices we have here. Okay, we delete one of the devices, for example, we close it to make it saved. Yeah, okay, now from here this is 2 devices. Now if we go to the restore points, we have 4 other situation. For example, we want to go to this point. This point is not 2 devices anymore, this is 4 devices. Of course we have the restore point in archive menu, and we can follow it as well. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know through the email, WhatsApp, and yeah.